So let's get started. I'm going to rush this a little bit too fast. You have your head, ishi, 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 that's head. You have your eye, anya, anya. I'm pointing at my eye, anya. Don't be pointing somewhere else. I'm pointing at my eye, anya, anya, okay? Your nose, imi, imi, imi is your nose. You have your ear is nti, nti, nati, nti. Say that I'm saying it, nti, nati. If I hear you say ti, I'll just slap you. Nti, You're gonna have to do that, yeah, nti. Don't do the yeah, don't be foolish. Anyway, mouth, ono, your mouth, ono. If I tell you mepono, open your mouth or close your mouth. Meshono, close your mouth. Mepono, open your mouth. Meshono, close your mouth. Eze, your teeth. Eze, that's what it's called. Your teeth. Eze, eze, not easy. Ozu, oza. No, eze, 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 eze. Okay, your tongue. Ire, your tongue. Ire. Don't start doing rubbish with your tongue. You people are always doing rubbish. That's not. Don't. Just put your tongue out and just say ire, ire, ire. Ire, ire. Okay. Your neck, olu. Your neck, olu. Okay? Olu. Your hands, aka. Aka. The small parts, fingers. Mburaka. Mburaka. Mburaka is your fingers. Okay? And then your chest, obi. 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 It's different for women. For men, we say obi. For mwai. For women, Omuwai are women. Omuwoke are men. You getting that, right? Omuwoke, men. Omuwai, women. For men, we say obi. Obi. Obi woke, a man's chest. If you want to say a woman's breast is Anna. Don't say this in front of your mother if you're not a woman. Guys, wouldn't mind Anna. For wine, for women, ladies. I'm not touching your destiny. I'm not saw sexual harassment. I won't go in, but I'm just for wine. Anna, for walking, obi. Your stomach, afo. Your stomach, afo. Your back, azum. Your back is azum. Your thigh is apata. Say it, apata. For those who forgot the azum. Azum means back. Azum, not azum. Azum is fish. Azum, not azum. Azum. Okay. Apata. Okay. And then you get to your leg. Your leg. Oku. Alright. And then you have your tongue, mkporoku. You don't have how you have mkporaka. Aka, mkporoku. Mkporo means something small. But I tell you now here the mkporo, it is small. Okay, so that's the basics, alright? And now let's go see some things that you see around your house that you will say.